What's good, YouTube? It's Nas here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make a cool 3D banner for your YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you subscribe right now. Click the subscribe button, that will help a lot. I will know that you enjoy my videos and like this video. So I'm showing you guys how you can make this 3D banner. So what you need to do is download this app called Pixel Lab. Now the link is in the description below, so you just go there, download it. Now once you download it, just open up the app, and then you're gonna get the screen as usual. And once you get the screen, just click on edit text, and you're just gonna change the text to I'm gonna be using your name. That's what we're gonna be using on this video. So you change it to your name just like that, and you increase the size. Just follow what I do as usual, and you get this done. You increase the size, and then the color, we're gonna be changing the color. Now you make sure you select the name part. Just leave the your to white color and the name part to we're gonna be using this color here. I don't really know what color is it. I don't know, yellow. Yeah, we're gonna be using this color, and then we move on to the font. Now we change the font, and make sure you use this font, because if you want to do exactly what I did in this video, if you want to do exactly what I did, just use the font I use, which is finger paint regular. You see, they just click on OK, and it's looking nice already. Now what you guys just need to do is click on stroke enable. I made this easy, so you don't go around adjusting the stroke, but you can adjust it if you want. If you don't want to do exactly what I did, then click on shadow enable and click on 3D option, 3D text. As you can see there, click on enable. Now you can see it's looking nice and cool already. Now what we just need to do is make the background transparent. As you can see, click on transparent, and you're good to go. So you just click on the save icon at the top, click save as image, and make sure it's PNG, and you click save to gallery, and we move right to the next app. So we are at the second app, and as you can see, the name of this app is called Adobe Photoshop Touch. So if you want to get this app, as usual, the link is in the description, so make sure you download this app. Now once you download it, just open up the app, and you're gonna get the screen, and you just click on this plus at the below. Click on the plus, change the width to 2560, click on the check mark, change the height to 1440, and just click on check mark and click on OK. Now you're gonna get an empty layer screen. As you can see here, this is the empty layer. So this is what we're gonna be designing our banner with. So you're just gonna get the screen. Now once you get the screen, all you just have to do is click on the plus here, click on photo layer, and you just have to go to the link in the description. Also, if you want this guideline, this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you guys. This is what I use in banners. If you're not new to my channel, you're gonna know this is what I use. So the link of this is in the description. It's just a safe area when designing a banner. So you import this. Now go to photo layer again, and then you look for what you want to use. I'm going to be using image I have on my device. I already downloaded this, but you can use whatever image you want. You can use whatever you want. So you just adjust it to wherever fits you, wherever you think it's gonna look nice. So you just adjust it, and once you finish adjusting, click on the check mark. Now once you drag it down, you can see it's looking nice already. So this is how a banner is supposed to look like. So what we're gonna be doing now is to take it down, then we're gonna import the text we just did in Pixel Lab. So you just have to go back and click on Pixel Lab folder, and as you can see, this is the text we just did. So you click on add. Now once you add it, it's gonna be here just like this. You just have to put it in the middle, like I said, and I'm gonna say again, it's up to you guys. It's what you guys want to do. It's your banner, so you can do whatever you want to do. So this is how it's gonna look like, and it's looking nice already and very, very good. And this is an awesome banner for most of you that don't know how to make a basic banner. So once you have this, then we're gonna do some extra touches. Now what we're gonna be doing is click on FX, and we're gonna be adding a drop shadow. So click on drop shadow and change it to 20. That's what we're gonna be using. Just change it to 20, and once you change it to 20, just click on the color, change it to white, and you can see it's looking nice. You just maybe increase the blur option. Yeah, just increase it a little bit and click on the check mark, and it's looking good. Now you can see the yellow color on the background. It's like, you know, it's not too noticeable. So what we're gonna be doing is reduce the brightness of the banner. So make sure you click the layer, you know, the image we just imported, and you reduce it to like 30% or wherever you want. I'm just gonna be leaving it in 29. As you can see, I'm using 29. So just click on the check mark, and once you click on the check mark, once you go back to the same place, click on level, this time not brightness, level, and you just lower this a little bit. As you can see, it's looking good already. As you can see now, it's noticeable, you know, it's something you can see. So once you like remove this safe layer, once you remove this safe area, as you can see, it's looking good and like a professional banner. So this is up to you. You can use your banner like this, but if you don't want to use it like this, I'm going to show you guys something. So you make sure you make this visible again, and you click on the layer and you click this place, then click select pixels. Now it's going to select all sides. Then what you need to do is click on this place again, and you click here. Make sure you guys follow what I do, and you click on cut. And once you click on cut, it's gonna take that part out. Now just make the save area not visible anymore, and you deselect everything. As you can see, it's looking just so nice already. So you can see this is a way you can make a simple banner, and I hope I helped you guys with this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If it's helped you, as usual, show appreciation and subscribe, like this video, and I'm see you guys on the next one.